My name is nashipae. I'm 12 years old, and the competition was good. It was intense, but hard work pays, and I was able to overlap some of the people, and I became position 1.
Majina ni Mark Kareni Mogo. I'm the head coach at Hospital Hill Primary School, Parklands. We've come with 46 kids, and 36 were able to compete in their respective categories. And we are happy because now we've garnered some top numbers, and we are heading for the nationals. We had a student like Shamoon, who has proceeded to the nationals with the number 3. We have another one, Joy, who has proceeded to the nationals with number 3 also. We have others like Jaden, who are proceeding to the nationals with number 4 and 5 respectively.
Tutigane na icio tukirongorerie Mbitika cia mubira wa golf na ni